Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix rogue water game crashing or crashing on startup problem on your PC. I will show you guys a very effective solution, so let's get started. Guys, first open up the Steam, click on the gear icon of your game, go to the properties, now click on the install file, then click on the verify integrity of game files. Then launch the game again, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now the second solution is update graphic driver. Ensure your graphic driver are up to date. You can do this through manufacturer website like NVIDIA or AMD or via driver updater tool. So once you update your drivers of your graphic card, simply restart your PC, then launch the game and then check. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then simply open up the Steam, then just click on the gear icon of your game, then go to the game properties. Now here click on the install files, then click on the browse option, and guys here just locate your rogue water game launcher. So once you find the launcher, make right click on it, click on the properties, go to the compatibility. Now here just check this box of run the program as an administrator and just uncheck these two boxes of compatibility mode and disable full screen optimization. Then click on apply, then launch the game and check your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you can just check these two boxes of compatibility mode and choose it the Windows 8 and also disable full screen optimization. Then click on apply, then launch the game and check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then adjust compatibility setting. So right click on the game executable. So this setting I already show you. Now the next setting is disable overlay. Sometimes overlay like software like Discord or Steam can cause issues. Disable these by going into the setting of those programs. So you just need to make sure if you have the Discord, then disable the Discord overlay. Now just simply open up the Steam, then go to your game property, then just uncheck this box of enable Steam overlay, then just launch the game and then check. Now if your problem is still not fixed, then check for background programs. Some background application can conflict with the game. So make a right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. Now here just close all unnecessary background application. Now once you close it, go to the startup on the top. Now guys, here just disable all of this because when you start your PC, this application start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So just disable all of these which are useless. Now the next important setting is uninstall the game. If none of the above solution work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game. This can resolve any installation issues. Now the next solution is adjust in-game setting. Lowering graphic setting or disabling certain feature like VSync may help improve stability. Then launch the game again and then check. Now the next solution is check for system update. Make sure your operating system is completely updated to the latest version. Now the next solution is contact support. If the problem persists, reaching out the game support team provide additional assistance. Now go to the Windows setup here, the updates and simply open it. Now once you open it, make sure that your Windows is completely updated to the latest version. Now if your problem is still not fixed, then you can reach out the contact support of this game. Now hope one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.